Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how I'll be making a one pot chicken and broccoli dish. Now I have my fry pan or skillet on the stove. It's already heated up. I'm gonna add some butter, and some olive oil. In this bowl I have my chicken pieces already cleaned and seasoned. I seasoned this chicken beforehand so it will be very tasty. I added black pepper, salt, and other herbal seasoning to the mix. You can add whatever seasoning you prefer. Now we're gonna go ahead and saute the chicken on both sides. We'll turn them over and we'll do the same thing for the other side. We will now remove our chicken. We're going to saute some vegetables and some onions. In this container we have some tomatoes, bell peppers, orange, red, and green, and some onion. In this dish we have some garlic, and in this dish we have the broccoli cut in small pieces. And in this dish we have a mix of corn, beans, peas, and carrots. We will saute these for about 3 to 5 minutes. We will now make a broth. First we're going to add some cloves, we're going to be using some coconut aminos. This is a substitute for soy sauce. It's a bit salty, so you have to, if you're going to use this, you're going to have to use it in moderation, considering that you have already seasoned your chicken. You're going to add some pepper flakes. Some ground ginger. Some ground cumin. Some ground turmeric. And some ground oregano. Now that our vegetables have been sauteed, we're going to go ahead and add the chicken back into the pot. I'm going to add a sprig of thyme. Okay, this is now after 25 minutes, and let me give it a taste test. That's very good. The only thing I'm going to add to that is a little bit of curry powder. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle some parsley flakes. Now we can turn our stove off. Now it's all finished. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share the video. See you next time. Bye.